Battle of the year.
And an American crew hasn't won in the last 15 years.
Let's bring that trophy back for America.
The only way we can win is as a team.
I think we need a choreographer.
Give me the best. She's a girl. She's coming. We can't whisper anymore. Battle of the year. Rated PG-13.
He suffered fourth-degree burns over 80% of his body. If he survives, he'll be paralyzed from the waist down, confined to a wheelchair.
You say you can save him. What does that mean? What kind of life will he have?
Somehow, he's overriding the system's priorities.
Human element will always be present. Compassion, fear, instinct, they will always interfere with the system.
Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
The very fabric of reality will be torn apart.
I'll find a way to save us all.
All yours.
At the right time.
We have to go before they kill us. They will kill us.
People want to fight.
Stay here. They fought very hard in the games, Miss Everdeen.